high-stakes BMC polls, Maharashtra politics has turned bitter and brutal. The MNS chief Raj Thackeray has launched a scathing attack on the BJP leader K. Annamalai, using abuses, slurs and old war cries to corner the Marathi vote. Thackeray called him Rasmalai, questioning his right to speak on Mumbai matters. And in his speech, Raj Thackeray also invoked his late uncle Bala Saheb Thackeray's controversial slogan, a shocking jibe at South Indians. The Lungi remark has shocked many in a move that signals a return to the aggressive identity politics of the 1960s. Raj Thackeray revived one of the most controversial slogans in Maharashtra. The political history has not seen many worse than this. He targeted the BJP leader K. Annamalai using that slur. The phrase is a xenophobic slur that dates back to the mid-1960s. It was the foundational rallying cry of the Shiv Sena, founded by Raj Thackeray's uncle, Bala Saheb Thackeray. Listen into what Raj Thackeray has said, and then we will also explain to you what led to the entire controversy.
कोणतरी एक तामिळनाडूमधून रसमलाई आली होती, तो सांगतो मुंबईचा आणि म्हणजे महाराष्ट्राचा संबंध काय, तुझा काय संबंध आहे इथे याचा.
This was the remark that was made by him. The controversy erupted a day after BJP leader K. Annamalai's remarks on Mumbai. He called it a global city and not a city of Maharashtra. And this is the comment that seems to have triggered the political backlash, provoking this furious response from Raj Thackeray.
Here we are looking at the only city in our country where a triple engine Sarkar is possible. Modi ji at the center, Devendra Fadnavis at the state, and the BJP mayor and BMC. Because Bombay is not a Maharashtra city, it is an international city. And this city has got a budget of 75,000 crore, not a small money. Chennai's budget is 8,000 crore. Bangalore is 19,000 crore. You need good people sitting in the administration to manage the finance, to manage development.
Not just Raj, but Shiv Sena UBT chief Uddhav Thackeray also cornered Annamalai. Listen in to what he said.
आणि तो अण्णामलाई याला त्याला मला खास धन्यवाद द्यायचे. का धन्यवाद? कारण तो नकळत बोलून गेला. भाजपच्या मनातलं जे काळं आहे तो ते बोलून गेलेला आहे. असंच ज्या वेळेला लोकसभेच्या सुमारास.
My colleagues Nilesh and Dharini are joining us on the broadcast with the details. And Nilesh, this is an absolute shocker, a very grim reminder of the kind of violence that broke out in the 1960s in Mumbai. And Raj Thackeray very casually bringing that slogan back in taking a dig at Annamalai.
Well, yes, Pratibha, it is quite interesting to see how the politics just ahead of municipal corporations are turning out to be. Earlier, as of now, it was a Maharashtra versus North politics, but now it is taking a South politics into the play. Reason being, as of now, the MNS chief Raj Thackeray was known to be violent, taking to the streets, attacking the North Indians, specifically from UP and Bihar. But now he is taking a direct attack, something which is very abusive and racial, what we can understand. Targeting Annamalai and BJP, Raj Thackeray uses some very harsh words. But this is not the first time that Raj Thackeray has been known into controversy for his remark. Earlier, it was UBT leader Sanjay Raut who had spoken a harsh word, abusive words for the BJP as a whole. But this time, one leader is being attacked by Raj Thackeray.
Yes.
However, BJP has also responded to it, stating that though Raj Thackeray is trying to create an aura or persona of Bala Saheb Thackeray, but he has no connection on ground, and which is why people for long haven't been connected with him, and
this is
he
not just a controversial remark, isn't it, Nilesh? Because this is a very clear call for violence, and what's absolutely shocking is that the opposition leaders have not come out to call out this statement. Now, the BMC elections are going on, yes, but will they not call out a dangerous statement like this that sets a wrong precedent in Mumbai, and it can unleash violence in Mumbai, something that has been witnessed previously as well, isn't it? Just a moment, I'll come back to you. After these abuses, slurs and sharp attacks from the MNS chief, the BJP leader K. Annamalai has also fired back, calling Raj Thackeray ignorant and jobless. Here is what he said.
ஏங்க வேலை இல்லாமல் 2 பேர் சுற்றிக்கிட்டு இருக்கிறாங்க. அங்கே பார்த்தீங்கன்னா ஆதித்ய தாக்கரே, ராஜ் தாக்கரே இவங்கெல்லாம் யாருங்க? அங்கிருந்து என்னை மிரட்டிட்டு இருக்கானுங்க. நான் பெருமைப்படுறேன். ஒரு விவசாயினுடைய பையன் இன்னைக்கு தாக்கரேவனுடைய கோபத்தை நான் சம்பாரிச்சிருக்கிறேன். எனக்கே அது ஆச்சரியம்தான். எங்கள் அப்பா படித்தது 10வது, அம்மா படித்தது 6வது. எல்லாம் இத்தனை நாளாக ஆடு மாடு தான் மேய்ச்சிட்டு இருந்தாங்க. இப்போ உடம்பு சரியில்லை, ஆடு மாடு மேய்க்கிறதுல அந்த ஆடு மாட்டை நான் மேய்க்கிறேன். இன்னைக்கு தாக்கரே நேற்று கூட்டம் போட்டு ஆயிரக்கணக்கான நபர்களை போட்டு அந்த ராஜ் தாக்கரே, உத்தவ் தாக்கரே, ஆதித்ய தாக்கரே மேடை போட்டு என்னை அங்கிருந்து திட்டுறானுங்க. அந்த அளவுக்கு நான் வளர்ந்துட்டேன்னா, அந்த அளவுக்கு ஒரு விவசாயினுடைய பையன் இன்னைக்கு மும்பையில் அவனுக்கு கூட்டம் போட்டு திட்டுற அளவுக்கு நான் உயர்ந்துட்டேனான்னு தெரியல. அதனால் இந்த பாலா சாஹேப் தாக்கரே அவர்கள் மீது மிகப்பெரிய மரியாதை நான் வைத்திருக்கின்றேன். அதில் எழுதியிருக்கானுங்க, மும்பைக்குள்ள வந்தால் என் காலை வெட்டுவேன், இங்க் அடிப்பேன். நான் மும்பைக்கு வரத்தான் போகிறேன், நீ இங்க் அடிச்சு பாரு, காலை வெட்டிப்பாரு, அதெல்லாம் 2 ஒன்று பார்த்துடலாம். அதனால் இந்த மிரட்டல் உருட்டுருக்கெல்லாம் நான் பயந்துருந்தா ஊரில் உட்காந்து என் கிராமத்துக்குள்ள சொந்த ஊரில் தான் இருக்கணும்.
A most controversial and most obnoxious hateful comment has been made against people of Tamil Nadu, people of South. Raj Thackeray, who is in alliance with Uddhav Thackeray, who is in India alliance, says that Annamalai ji is Rasmalai. He mocks somebody who's coming from Tamil Nadu, somebody from OBC community, and then he has also used derogatory words like lungi uthao, etc. for the people from South India. This is not the first time he has used such language. He has used it against North Indians also. And Uddhav ji is in alliance with him, and Uddhav ji is in India alliance. What will the great stalwarts of India alliance from DMK, from left and other parties say about this? Today they have consumed Fevicol and they are not opening their mouth.
Yes, the question remains, and Dharini continues to say live with us. Dharini, often DMK, Congress, multiple leaders within Tamil Nadu have spoken about Tamil pride. But where is the Tamil pride today? Will it be silent because Raj Thackeray has made this statement?
Well, in fact, BJP's ally in Tamil Nadu, ADMK, has come in defense of Mr. Annamalai. ADMK spokesperson Kovai Satyan told Times Now that Raj Thackeray's remarks are not just aimed at one particular individual, that is Annamalai. That is an insult to the entire Tamil community, is what he has told. And he has demanded an apology from Raj Thackeray. So the ADMK is coming in defense of its ally leader, Mr. K. Annamalai, is what one can very evidently see. But as far as the DMK is concerned, the ruling DMK is concerned, which speaks so much about Tamil pride and Tamil language, when we tried getting in touch with several DMK leaders, they told us that this is completely between Shiv Sena, UBT and Mr. K. Annamalai. These are some personal drives that they are making at each other. Raj Thackeray's comments are not against the Tamil community itself. It is only against Annamalai, is what the DMK says. So the DMK seems to be distancing itself from the remark made by Raj Thackeray. They are telling that it is a remark made by Thackeray against K. Annamalai personally. There is no Tamil community link to it, is what they say.
No, it's not. It's not a personal comment at all, because this was a war cry against South Indians, and it was very clear during the 60s, and that is being brought back by Raj Thackeray. And the DMK can't just hide behind this statement that this is just a personal comment on Annamalai, so only Annamalai should answer. Leaders cutting across party lines must take a stand against this hate. Nilesh and Dharini, thank you for joining us with those details. Quick break. We'll be right back.